Hey everyone, thanks for checking back into the Redcat University, and today we have a Gen 7 on the workbench. We're going to do a couple videos with this Gen 7, some of the more popular upgrades starting with the rear straight axle covers. This is a pretty easy installation. You're just going to need a few tools, your 2mm hex driver, a flat blade screwdriver, and your box wrench. We've already got the body off of this truck. Let's get started. Alright, step number one is to remove the wheels. Do it from both sides of the rear axle. With the wheel nuts off, remove the tires. You could even use one as a support for the truck. Now we need to remove the aluminum hex, and that's when you're going to use your flat blade screwdriver and simply pop it off. With the hexes off, remove the cross pin. And now with our 2mm hex driver, we can remove the two screws that hold the cover onto the axle. And now you can remove the cover from the rear axle by sliding it off. Once it's off, pop the bearing out because you're going to have to reuse this in the new covers. Here's a new aluminum axle cover. This is going to be much more durable and it looks pretty cool too. Take your bearing and place it inside the cover. Then slide it back on the axle. And now we can reinstall everything in the reverse order that we took it apart. There it is, our Redcat Racing Gen 7 is back together again and ready for some more action. Do you own a Gen 7? Why don't you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future how-tos. And of course, we'll see you back here real soon for another helpful Redcat University video.